Hey Noya family, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Shanika and I just want to show you how to make this quick and easy avocado mango salad. So we're just going to hop right into it. We're going to start with our red onion. You want to use about 1/4 and you want to make sure that you cut the onion very fine. You know, red onions add that nice little bite to basically any meal that you use it in. I've come to really enjoy red onions or adding red onions in my meals over the last couple of years. And not do I enjoy the taste of them, but they are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the key benefits about red onions is that it is known that they can help to lower the bad cholesterol levels in our bodies that contribute to heart disease and helps to keep our blood pressures low due to its high anti-inflammatory properties. Next up, we have mango, which is one of my favorite fruits on this earth. This particular mango was perfect, like at the perfect ripeness. It was super sweet, which makes the salad that much better when it has that really good flavor. And so mangoes are one of the best fruits to eat for nutritional health. Mangoes have actually been studied to show that they help to fight against certain types of cancers, to help lower the risk of certain cancers. They are packed with over 12 different types of antioxidants, which antioxidants help to fight oxidative stress in the body, which means that oxidative stress leads to certain types of cancers and other chronic diseases. So Shanika, what does this all mean? I'm so glad you asked. Listen, all of this to say the root to most of our sicknesses and diseases are caused by inflammation in the body. What causes inflammation in the body? Stress. What we eat, what we drink, the types of products, oh my goodness, the types of products that we use, from the toxic ingredients that are in these products, how we live. You know, it's a lifestyle. There are so many factors that causes inflammation in the body. It is not one thing. I'm not going to go into detail in this video due to the time on this video, but I will be doing a video very soon talking about how these different things affect our health, our products that we use, you know, the toxic ingredients in those products. That's really what I want to get down to and talking about, because so many people are unaware. But yeah, if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. I would appreciate it, and drop a comment. That would be awesome. We just need to be more intentional about what we're eating, how we're eating, our lifestyle as a whole, and the different things that we're using on our bodies that is entering our bodies. Next up, we have avocado, and somebody need to tell me why avocado is so good. Like, I used to hate avocado, but now I love it so much. Like, it's crazy to me how this little simple fruit, by the way, it's not a vegetable, it's a fruit, but how this simple fruit can be very good and you can use it and make it in so many different ways. I want to let you in on a little secret. Avocados do not contain any sodium or cholesterol, and they contain more potassium than bananas, a nutrient that most people are lacking. Why do we need potassium? Well, potassium intake is linked to reduced blood pressure. And let me just say that high blood pressure is linked to heart attacks, strokes, and kidney failure. So potassium is extremely important for our bodies. And even though avocados are known to be very fatty, they actually contain the good fats, which is known as oleic acid, which is associated with reducing inflammation in the body, and it has been shown to have beneficial effects against certain cancer genes. Avocados are also really high in fiber, which is important for our gut health. If you are constipated or you don't have regular bowel movements, then I would try to consume avocados on the regular so that they can help you have a smoother flow, if you know what I mean. Between red onions, mangoes, and avocados, your body is sure to intake rich nutrients that we need, those vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for optimum health. As always, I tell you to do your own research, educate yourselves, you know, make sure you go to reliable sources as well to obtain the knowledge behind optimum health. I am very big on that. With this salad, I like to call it a summer salad. You're just going to use some Himalayan pink salt or regular salt, either is fine. And then you're just going to go in with some black pepper. You know, we're looking for balance here. Balance is key, right? So we're going with black pepper. And then from there, we're just going to go ahead and add some cilantro and, you know, just to top it off. And, you know, cilantro has amazing benefits as well. I prefer fresh cilantro, but I didn't have any on hand, so I use my dried cilantro. And lastly, we're just going to go in with some key limes just to top everything off as the finisher, as I like to call it. And if you don't want to use limes, you can use lemon, or you don't have to use either. Everything in this recipe is obviously optional, and whatever you like to add, you can add it to it. The key is to keep it simple and healthy. And if you're wondering, no, I am not vegan or vegetarian, but I am intentional about what I eat and how I eat. I believe in finding that balance that works for your body. Everyone can't eat the same. We all have different conditions that we're trying to work through. So whatever works for you, it works for you. But just be very intentional and conscious about the ingredients that you're purchasing, right? Just be conscious about what you're putting in your body. How many vegetables do you have on your plate when you have meat on your plate? You understand? So that's what I'm focused on here: optimal health and wholeness. You just want to go ahead and mix everything in really well together. And then after you mix everything really well, you want to put it in the refrigerator so that it can chill. I put mine in for an hour and it was perfect. I don't know if you want to consume this warm, but it's all on preference, whatever you like. But I put it in the refrigerator for an hour and then it was good to go for me to enjoy. Listen, that first bite sent me. Like, after putting it in the fridge for an hour, everything was able to marinate together. And then it's just almost like everything became one. And it was perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give your girl a thumbs up and share this video with friends and family. And make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing more recipes and just all around wellness and wholeness tips for all. Enjoy, guys.